to me, my boo, with love and choice, mean to me, bamboo, while leaving the bank and the well, leaving so well to will till the
Now what about if we have a polynomial similar to this one? How are we going to find the root of a polynomial for 2x cubed plus 24x squared? In this case, we need to find the greatest common factor of this particular polynomial so we can find the root of 2x cubed plus 24x squared. The greatest common factor for this polynomial is 2x squared. If we pull out 2x squared from 2x cubed plus 24x squared, we will have x plus 12 as our factor. Now using the zero product property, we can solve for the value of x for these terms. 2x squared is equal to 0 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, the root of this polynomial will be at x equals 0 and x equals negative 12. Now for this example, we have negative 3x cubed minus 9x squared plus 12x. We're going to be using the greatest common factor to find the root of this polynomial. And in this case, the greatest common factor of this polynomial is negative 3x. If we pull out negative 3x for this polynomial, we'll have x squared plus 3x minus 4. And again, using the zero product property, we can solve for the roots of this polynomial. So the first root for this polynomial will be at x equals 0. And if we factor out x squared plus 3x minus 4, the two factors will be x minus 1 and x plus 4. And using the zero product property, we have x equals 1 and x equals negative 4. Therefore, for this particular polynomial, we have three roots at x equals 0, x equals 1, and x equals negative 4. Let's have your answer. For number 1, we have x equals negative 2 and x equals 3. For number 2, the roots of the polynomial will be at x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 7. And that's how we find the roots of a polynomial, by factoring.